Can the Pramerica Life Smart Invest Plan genuinely deliver both growth and protection, or will one always compromise the other? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So, this is a unit linked, non participating individual savings life insurance plan, and some of the key features of the policy are: it provides you with life cover to safeguard your loved ones against life's uncertainties, and it offers a choice of 3 plan options to match your financial needs, and it also allows selection between 2 investment strategies and 6 fund options to suit different investment preferences, and there are no premium allocation and policy administration charges throughout the policy term, and they also return the mortality charges if the life assured survives till maturity, and there are additional benefits for the female life assured, and the dream builder option in this policy provides a monthly income to support your family in case of an unfortunate death. So these are some of the key features. There are benefits like death benefit, maturity benefit, return of mortality charges, which will differ based on the plan option you have opted for. But as a unit link policy, there are charges present like mortality charges, waiver of premium charges, income charges, which is applicable especially for the dream builder option, and also fund manager charges. So these charges apply throughout the policy term, reducing the portion of your premium that actually gets invested. So over time, this diminishes your overall returns, making a significant impact on your long-term wealth accumulation. So now let's take a look at the advantages. So it boosts your savings by paying top-up premium anytime during the policy term. You get to receive an extra allocation benefit of 1% of the single premium or annualized premium during the first 5 policy years. You also get to enjoy unlimited switches and premium redirections across different fund options for greater flexibility. Under the dream builder option, you get a policy continuance benefit in case of the life insured's death, and you meet your recurring financial needs through a systematic withdrawal facility, and partial withdrawals are allowed only after completing 5 policy years. So the settlement option enables you to receive the maturity benefit as structured payouts over a period of up to 5 years. So these are some of the benefits. However, there are some disadvantages as well, like no loan facility available under this plan, and after deducting multiple charges, only the net premium is invested, and the life cover offered may be inadequate to meet your family's financial needs, and this plan comes with a mandatory 5-year lock-in period, which we need to consider as drawbacks and keep in our mind before deciding to invest in this policy. So now, as we have a basic idea about this policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure to help us make a more informed decision. But if you want to still understand certain aspects of the policy in detail, you can refer to the policy brochure. So now, for calculation purpose, let us assume that a 35-year-old male invests in the Pramerica Life Smart Invest Plan with a sum assured of 10 lakh, a policy term of 20 years, and a premium payment term of 10 years, paying 1 lakh annually under the wealth builder option. At maturity, the accumulated fund value is paid out. So here in the policy brochure, it assumes projected returns of 4 and 8%, but it is important to note that these are just for example, not guaranteed outcomes, because the actual maturity amount will depend on the fund performance. These figures are just to indicate how this policy can perform at worst and best case scenarios. So at 4% return, the estimated fund value is 14.43 lakhs, resulting in an IRR of 2.38% as per the policy's maturity calculator, which is lower than a regular savings account. At 8% return, the estimated fund value is 26.19 lakhs, yielding an IRR of 6.31% as per the Pramerica Life Smart policy calculator, comparable to or even slightly lower than debt instrument returns. So these figures indicate subpar returns for a long-term market-linked investment. So despite carrying investment risk, the plan fails to deliver inflation-beating returns. Moreover, the sum assured of 10 lakhs is inadequate to protect a family's financial future. So this policy underperforms on both fronts, investment growth and insurance coverage. It neither offers competitive returns nor sufficient protection, making it an ineffective preferred choice for long-term financial planning. So now, as we know that this policy has failed to generate returns that outpace inflation, we are going to do a comparative analysis where we are going to take up an alternative approach in which we are going to invest in insurance and investments separately, unlike the Pramerica policy. So for life cover, we have taken up a pure term insurance policy with a sum assured of 10 lakh, which costs us around 7,500 rupees per year for a 20-year term and a 10-year premium payment period. So in contrast, this policy requires an annual premium of 1 lakh. By opting for a term plan, you save 92,500 rupees per year, which can be invested separately for wealth creation. So depending on your risk appetite, the remaining amount can be invested in public provident fund (PPF) for risk averse investors and equity mutual fund for risk tolerant investors. So assuming a 10-year contribution period and adjustments in later years to meet the 15-year minimum lock-in period in PPF, the maturity value works out to be 27.29 lakh with an IRR of 6.58%. This return exceeds even the 8% projected return of the Pramerica policy, despite PPF being a low-risk debt instrument. In another scenario, if you invest a surplus in an equity mutual fund that generates a pre-tax maturity value of 56.46 lakhs, after accounting for capital gains tax, the post-tax maturity value stands at 50.72 lakh with a post-tax IRR of 10.74%. So these returns comfortably beat inflation, helping you to build a substantial corpus for your long-term financial plan. And if you want to know how we have calculated tax for equity mutual fund, you can see that we have presented a small tabular column on the screen for your easy reference, which you can pause and see. So this policy is inefficient in generating inflation adjusted returns or building an adequate corpus for future goals. A combination of a pure term policy for protection and targeted investments like PPF or equity mutual fund for growth proves to be a far more effective strategy, ensuring both financial security and wealth creation. Then what is the final verdict? Is investing in the Pramerica Life Smart Invest Plan worth it or not? So this policy allows you to invest your surplus or savings in market linked funds and comes with 3 plan variants. So Wealth Builder provides you with life cover during the policy term and a maturity benefit at the end of the term, and Legacy Builder offers whole life cover along with fund value as a maturity benefit, and Dream Builder provides an immediate lump sum on the death of the life insured, which is a monthly income thereafter and waiver of future premiums and a continuation of the policy with the fund value payable at maturity regardless of the policyholder's survival. So while all 3 variants offer market linked investment opportunities, the returns fail to justify the risk mainly due to the plan's high charges. Moreover, the sum assured may not be sufficient to meet a family's long-term financial needs, making the plan ineffective for sustainable wealth creation. So overall, this policy is not a suitable choice for long-term wealth accumulation, and it also has a high agent commission. Combining life insurance with market-linked investments is rarely an efficient strategy. As discussed earlier, opting for a pure term life insurance policy for protection and investing separately for wealth creation is more effective approach to achieving life goals. Building a diversified investment portfolio across asset classes will help you to better navigate market fluctuations and inflation.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.